All right, Seedance 2 just dropped, and it might be the best AI video model I've ever tested. I created full AI clones of myself and clients that look so real, people in the comments can't tell it's AI. And right now, I believe this is the single hottest offer you can sell if you're trying to start a new AI business. And I know what I'm talking about because I run a social media marketing agency, and last month we generated over $400,000 in revenue. Let me refresh my payment processor real quick just so you can see this is legit. I do this every video because if someone on YouTube isn't showing you their real numbers, you probably shouldn't listen to them. So there it is. Over $400,000 in revenue, roughly 300 active clients, and we charge about $1,000 a month. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly what Seedance 2 is, how it compares to other AI video models I've been testing, and the exact softwares I use to manage the whole thing. Let's get into it. Chapter 1, the power of AI video for business. All right, here's the thing. AI video has completely changed the game for businesses. You can create hyper-realistic videos where you give AI a single photo of someone, type in a prompt, and it spits out a video of that person talking, moving, gesturing, basically looking like they actually filmed it. Now think about what that means for a business owner. Think about a personal injury attorney who hates being on camera. Well, you can create a clone of them delivering legal tips. And a dentist who doesn't have time to shoot content every week, that's still no issue. You can create a clone of them doing dental cleanings. Or what about a real estate agent who wants to post every single day but can barely post once a month? You guessed it, you can create a clone. This is a real opportunity right now. So let me tell you about Seedance 2. This is a brand new AI video model created by ByteDance, the same company behind TikTok. And when I say brand new, I mean it literally just launched this week after a few minor setbacks. Seedance 2.0 specializes in generating realistic human motion, facial expressions, and even scene transitions from a single image and a text prompt. Now, here's why the timing on this matters. If you've been paying attention, you know that Sora just announced it's shutting down. So a lot of creators and agencies that were relying on Sora are now scrambling to find a replacement. And from what I've tested so far, Seedance 2 might actually be a better option. The motion is more natural, the facial expressions are more dynamic, and it handles scene transitions really well for a model this new. But don't just take my word for it. Let me show you exactly how it stacks up. Chapter 2, Seedance vs. Sora vs. Kling. All right, this is the fun part. I tested 3 AI video models head to head, Seedance 2.0, Sora, and Kling 3, all using the same concept. I took a photo of myself and prompted each model to turn me into a personal injury attorney giving a legal tip. Same scenario, same dialogue, same vibe. Let me show you the results and then I'll break down what I noticed.
If you get in a car accident, here's the first thing you do. Take photos of everything, the damage, the other car, the intersection, even the traffic lights, then call your insurance. And whatever you do, don't apologize at the scene. I know your mama raised you right, but saying sorry can be used against you.
If you get in a car accident, here's the first thing you do. Take photos of everything, the damage, the other car, intersection, even the traffic lights. And whatever you do, don't apologize at the scene. I know your mama raised you right, but saying sorry can be used against you.
If you get in a car accident, here's the first thing you do. Take photos of everything. The damage, the other car, the intersection, even the traffic lights. Document everything, then call your insurance. And whatever you do, don't apologize at the scene. I know your mama raised you right, but saying sorry can be used against you.
For both Sora and Seedance 2.0, I used the same exact prompt. Here's a quick look at it. Character as a sharp personal injury attorney in a navy suit and tie, standing in a modern law office. He looks in the camera and speaks clearly. Show action shots of him on scene. You can pause here if you want to read the full prompt. Now for Kling 3, I actually had to take a completely different approach. Kling lets you split your video into multiple scenes, so instead of one big prompt, I broke it into 4 separate scene prompts. Scene 1 in the office, scene 2 at the accident, scene 3 continuing the accident scene, and scene 4 back in the office for the closing line. So here's my honest take after comparing all 3. Kling 3 gave me the highest production quality, full 1080p, multiple scene transitions between the office and an outdoor car accident scene, realistic hand gestures, even a second person in the accident scene. The multi-scene prompt approach really paid off. If you want maximum cinematic control, Kling is tough to beat right now. Sora delivered solid cinematic quality, good scene variety, office to a close-up of a phone photographing car damage to the accident scene. But here's the thing, the character consistency drifted a little between scenes, and with Sora shutting down, this is more of a goodbye test than anything else. Seedance 2. Now keep in mind, I only rendered this at 480p because I was just testing. But even at that low quality, the facial expressions were the most natural and animated of all 3. The motion felt alive. The character was expressive and dynamic. It even got creative with the accident scene and showed the character using a camera to photograph the damage. At full resolution, I think this model is going to compete directly with Kling. Now, let me walk you through exactly how I made the Seedance 2.0 video so you can do this yourself. Step 1. I went to OpenArt, which is my favorite all-in-one AI video software right now. If you haven't used it, it's basically a platform where you can access multiple AI models in one place. Step 2. I clicked on video at the top. Step 3. I switched the model over to Seedance 2. Step 4. I selected text to video as the mode. Step 5. I uploaded a reference image of myself. And here's something important. I didn't need to get consent for this because it's my own image. But if you're doing this for clients, make sure you have their permission before creating a clone. Step 6. I selected audio so the model would generate speech. Step 7. I kept the mode at normal. Step 8. I changed the output to 9:16, which is vertical format for social media. Set the duration to 15 seconds. Step 9. I left the quality at 480p since I was just testing and didn't want to burn through credits. Step 10. I hit generate. And that was it. Within a few minutes, I had a full AI clone video of myself as an attorney delivering legal advice. No camera, no lighting setup, no film crew, just a photo and a prompt. Chapter 3, how to turn AI clones into an agency offer. All right, so now you've seen the tech. Let me show you how to actually make money with this. Here's what you do. You go to local businesses, attorneys, dentists, chiropractors, real estate agents, med spas, really anyone who needs to be posting on social media but isn't, and you offer them AI-powered social media content. You take one photo of them, you create clone videos of them delivering tips, advice, and promotional content, and you post it to their social accounts on a consistent schedule. Here's why this offer is so powerful. Most local business owners know they need to be on social media. They know short form video is where the attention is, but they don't have time to shoot content. They don't want to be on camera, and they definitely don't have the budget to hire a full production team. You solve all of that with AI clones. And here's why I love this offer so much. It's the easiest way to get your foot in the door. Most business owners have never seen anything like this. Just by saying you can create an AI clone of them is enough to get you the meeting. It's like someone stopping you and asking if you want to see a portrait they drew of you. It's hard to say no to that. And when they see it, the wow factor alone can get you the handshake and your first contract. And once you're in the door managing their social media, now you can upsell them into ads, funnels, email marketing, lead generation, all the higher ticket services. But the clone content is what opens that door. Now let me show you the system behind everything. Chapter 4, the software that runs your agency. All right, so you've got the offer, but you need a system to actually manage all of this. And that's where High Level comes in. By the way, High Level is the platform we use to run our entire agency and manage all of our clients. If you haven't tried it yet, you need to test it out using the link in the description below. And if you sign up with my link, you'll also get access to my full AI business blueprint course completely free. Just go to SeanStanberry.com. Let me show you real quick why I love this platform. First, the social planner. This is where I schedule all of the AI clone content for my clients. I can manage every client's social media accounts from one dashboard. So once I generate the clone videos, I upload them here, write the captions, schedule them out for the week or the month, and I'm done. No jumping between platforms, no logging into 30 different social media accounts. Everything is centralized. Second feature, comment to DM. This one is huge. When someone comments on one of your clients' AI clone videos, High Level can automatically send that person a DM. So if a personal injury attorney posts a clone video with tips about car accidents and someone comments help, the system automatically DMs them with a link to book a consultation. You're turning social media engagement into actual leads without anyone lifting a finger. And this is the newest feature I've been using, AI Studio. This lets you build powerful lead magnets using AI directly inside High Level. So let's say your attorney client wants a free guide called 10 Things to Do After a Car Accident. I'll go to AI Studio to type in something like, create a landing page for a free guide titled 10 Things to Do After a Car Accident as a lead magnet for a law firm. And within minutes, it creates a beautiful landing page for someone to complete if they want the guide. From there, I just prompted it to create the guide for after someone completes the form. And just like that, in probably less than 1 minute, it created the guide. I didn't have to ask ChatGPT to strategize. I didn't have to go to study any brand guides. I didn't have to go to Canva. It just made everything. Then all I would have to do is add a custom domain name and click publish to make this live. These are just some of the features we use inside of High Level, but there's much more to it than that. If you're interested in learning more, don't forget to click the link in the description and test it out for yourself. Now, one more thing before I let you go. HeyGen just announced a partnership with Seedance 2 to bring more realistic motion to their avatar videos. And this is a big deal because one of the biggest problems with AI clones has been getting the voice to actually match the character's mouth movements naturally. This partnership could solve that completely. I'm actually producing a video right now testing HeyGen plus Seedance 2 and showing you my results. So if that video is out already, go check it out next. Or check out the video where I discuss how to get clients as a beginner, and I'll see you over there.